Hi everyone! It's what time now? Quarter to 11. 11:45 guys. So maaga kami ngayon nag-lunch, breakfast and lunch kasi pupunta ng Salzburg ang aking asawa. So itong niluto ko guys, tortang talong, pritong isda, and salad talong. And of course, sausawan. And guys, gumawa ako ng rice guys. Ayan o. Yung rice na, kasi pag nilalagyan mo daw guys ng ng tawag nito ng turmeric. Tapos, daw siya guys, mag-less daw yung sugar. Kaya yan guys, rice is life. So, kain tayo guys. Ang sarap-sarap ng aking breakfast for today. Maparami na naman ang ating kain. Babush. Sarap talaga oh. Tortang talong, sarap to. Yan guys oh, pritong isda. Lalo na itong salad, guys. Lalo na yung sausawa, napakaraming sili, guys. So, kain tayo, guys. Babush!